Let's just do an example because obviously I'm not going to leave this as a code on their house. Say I wanted the code to be, so I would say let's do 1, 2, 3, 4 as a test, but it won't let you do that. So I'm just going to say I want this code to be 1020. We're just going to do the steps and then I'll delete it. So we're going to go make sure the interior cover is off and press the program button once. So I'm pressing the program button, pressing the number 1, pressing the Kwikset logo, enter the code you want. I'm going to go 1020. Press the Kwikset logo once. Now I'm just going to test if that actually works. Okay, we obviously don't want that to be a code, especially because I just showed the whole internet. So now we're going to delete it. So I'm going to press the program button, press number 2, the Kwikset logo, the code I want to delete, the Kwikset button, code I want to delete, and then Kwikset button again. So now we have deleted that 1020 code. So that's how you set one, that's how you delete one. So now if I do it, it doesn't work. But if I do mine, my code still works. Okay, so now I'm gonna program the code that they want and I'm not gonna show it to you. That's how you do it.